You are an Agile project manager facilitating a sprint planning session. The product owner cannot attend due to a client emergency. What is your best course of action? Is it A. Proceed with team planning using the current backlog, B. Postpone the sprint planning until the product owner is available, C. Assign the Scrum Master to set priorities, or D. Have stakeholders prioritize backlog items instead? The correct answer is B. Postpone the sprint planning until the product owner is available. The product owner is responsible for backlog prioritization and clarifying requirements. Without their participation, sprint planning risks misalignment. It should be rescheduled to ensure a clear, agreed sprint goal. During a daily Scrum, a developer mentions they are blocked by a dependency on another team. As the Scrum Master, what should you do next? Is it A. Remove the impediment yourself, B. Add the issue to the risk register, C. Encourage the team to resolve it collaboratively, or D. Escalate the issue to management? The correct answer is A. Remove the impediment yourself. The Scrum Master is responsible for removing impediments that block team progress. Addressing external dependencies quickly allows the team to maintain focus on delivering the sprint goal. The product owner requests adding a high-priority item to the sprint backlog mid-sprint. What is the appropriate action? Is it A. Reject the request entirely, B. Accept only if capacity allows, C. Discuss with team, accept only if sprint goal is not threatened, or D. Immediately replace lower priority items? The correct answer is C. Discuss with team, accept only if sprint goal is not threatened. Scrum allows changes to the sprint backlog if they don't compromise the sprint goal. The development team should collaborate with the product owner to assess impact before accepting. A stakeholder complains they are not receiving enough updates on product progress. What is the best Agile approach? Is it A. Invite them to sprint reviews, B. Provide them with daily written reports, C. Increase the frequency of sprint reviews, or D. Set up a dedicated demo outside sprint review? The correct answer is A. Invite them to sprint reviews. Sprint reviews are the primary forum for inspecting the increment and gathering stakeholder feedback. Inviting stakeholders ensures transparency, engagement, and alignment without creating unnecessary extra meetings. Your Agile team consistently fails to meet sprint commitments. What is your first step to address this? Is it A. Shorten sprint length, B. Review and adjust team's velocity estimates, C. Increase working hours, or D. Replace low-performing team members? The correct answer is B. Review and adjust team's velocity estimates. Velocity is used for realistic forecasting in Agile. If the team consistently overcommits, revisiting estimation practices helps set achievable sprint backlog items. Midway through the sprint, the customer requests a significant change in requirements. What should you do? Is it A. Add it to current sprint backlog. B. Add to product backlog for prioritization. C. Replace existing sprint items. Or D. Cancel the sprint. The correct answer is B. Add to product backlog for prioritization. Agile embraces change, but major changes are placed in the product backlog for future prioritization. This preserves sprint focus while allowing flexibility for upcoming iterations. The team has completed the sprint, but the product owner says the increment is not releasable. What is the likely cause? Is it A. Sprint goal was unclear. B. Definition of done not met. C. Sprint backlog incomplete. Or D. Incorrect backlog prioritization. The correct answer is B. Definition of done not met. The definition of done ensures increments are fully usable and releasable. If it's not met, the increment is incomplete, even if work items are marked done informally. You notice in the retrospective that the same impediment has been raised for 3 consecutive sprints. What's your next action? Is it A. Escalate to senior management. B. Remove the impediment immediately. C. Document it in lessons learned. Or D. Replace affected team members. The correct answer is B. Remove the impediment immediately. Impediments that persist over multiple sprints undermine productivity and morale. The Scrum Master should prioritize their removal, engaging the necessary stakeholders for resolution. The development team is debating whether to extend the sprint to complete a feature. What is the correct approach? Is it A. Extend sprint by 2 days. B. Keep sprint length fixed. C. Allow extension if the product owner approves. Or D. Vote among team members. The correct answer is B. Keep sprint length fixed. Scrum requires fixed-length sprints to establish a consistent rhythm and improve predictability. Unfinished work is returned to the product backlog for reprioritization. During sprint review, a stakeholder strongly suggests a feature that could significantly increase product value. What should the product owner do? Is it A. Add it to product backlog and prioritize. B. Add it directly to next sprint backlog. C. Implement immediately. Or D. Delay until project closure. The correct answer is A. Add it to product backlog and prioritize. The product owner is responsible for managing and prioritizing the product backlog. New high-value ideas are captured, estimated, and prioritized against existing work for future sprints. If this helped clarify things for you, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and drop your PMP exam-related questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck.